Hello everyone, and welcome to our second part of our math lesson today. Now, what we're going to do quick is just review or recap some of the shapes that we've been learning about. Can you tell me what shape that one is? It's round. It's a circle. Well done. We've also have our three sides. It's a triangle. And then we've got our four sides, all the same, is a square. And then we've got our last shape, which has two long sides and two short sides, and that is our rectangle. Now what I've done is I've gone through my house and I've looked for some different objects that are the shapes that we're learning about. Now I can tell you some of them are really tricky to find. I had a really hard time finding some triangle shapes in the house. It's just not a shape we really find in the house, is it, boys and girls? And I did have a little bit of a hard time finding some squares that had the same length on all sides. So I do apologize that some of my squares aren't true squares. It means that there are a little bit of a longer or shorter side. Now let's see. I found some hot cocoa, and if I turn it on its side, what shape do you see? It's a circle. You're right, everyone. A circle. It's a circle. I wonder if you could find something like that in your house. Let's see. Now, my fiance, he really likes this. Some Angel Delight. What shape do you think that is? It's got two long sides and two short sides. It's a rectangle. Well done, everyone. Ooh, let's see. Oh, here we go. I found this cube that I've got at home. It's got the number 32. A 3 and a 2 makes 32. And if you look at the face of it, what shape do you see? The sides are all the same. It is a square. Well done. You guys are really using your thinking caps today. Let's try this. I've got my toilet roll, and if I turn it on its side, what shape do you see? It is a round circle. Fantastic, everyone. Now, this is the only one I found in my house. I found some bunting, and if I flip it around for you this way, what shape do you see? It's got 1, 2, 3 sides. It is a triangle. Bunting is the shape of triangle, so maybe because we just had that long weekend not too long ago, maybe you had some bunting around your house for VE Day. Maybe you can find that, and that could be your triangle in your house. Let's see. I'm sure you guys have some of these at home or a different type. What shape do you see? It's got two long sides and two short sides. It's a rectangle. Rectangle. So remember, rectangles can be tall and they can be long. Rectangle. Oh, I found a book that was a shape. Oh, sorry, the lighting there. A shape here. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4 sides that are all the same. It is a square. about this? This is a movie trivia game I have. What shape is that? It is round. It's a circle. Well done, everyone. A circle. Oh, look, they're almost the same size. Oh, and then I've got my tea tin. If I turn it around like this, you can see that it's got 1, 2, 3, 4 sides, and they are all the same size. That means that it is a square. And then my last one, I've got this game. It's called Unleashedlemma, so Llamas Unleashed. And if you look at the size, it's got 1, 2 long sides and 1, 2 short sides. Can you tell me what shape that is? You're right, it is a rectangle. Well done, everyone, for recognizing my shapes in my house. Now, I think that you could do this at home with your family if you'd like, or you could do it outside while you're out for a walk. I will say that it is easier to find rectangle and circle shapes in the house. Much easier to find these shapes in the house. You might have an easier time finding some squares and some triangles outside, but maybe you're really lucky and you've got lots of triangles in your house. I just could not find that many. Well, I wish you luck on your hunt for some shapes in your house, making sure you look for a rectangle, a square, a circle, and a triangle. Now don't forget to check out the third and last part of our lessons for maths this week.